This is one of the most remarkable things Chris and I have ever seen in 22 years of living on this property. Look at this python. He's in the prickly pear, but look at the pattern. Oh my gosh, it's like art. That is mind-blowing.
Shall I touch him?
No, that's not. This
Just
is
leave
going to
him?
be... Wow, it's about 9 o'clock at night. Chris came out to check and make sure that there are no pythons in the chicken run. And this is what he's found. Oh, that is the most incredible, incredible pattern of anything we've ever seen. Look at that crazy way he's, I don't know. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Sorry, mister. Straight up. Holy Toledo.
Like
These
gravity
guys are
doesn't
magic.
exist.
Oh, there he goes. Yep. Look at him. Oh my gosh. Absolutely magic. Look at him.
Like gravity doesn't exist.
Unbelievable. So beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Now, mind you, he would love to get into the chicken run and eat a chicken tonight. Absolutely not going to, because our chicken run is completely snake proof. But look at him. He's just going to go walk about.